Here we are at part 2 of our cat in the house video. So I haven't shown you Gilbert, and I was just going up the stairs. Here we go. My room. We're like remodeling it. Here's Gilbert. Say hi, Gilbert. Gilbert, say hi. Say hi, Gilbert. Oh. Say hi. It's okay. My brother's room. He's sleeping. My mom and dad's room. My bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna go get Coco and Gilbert together. I'll meet you downstairs. You guys could stare at Coco. Stare at Coco for a while I will go get Gilbert. I'm back. Here's Gilbert with Coco. Coco, Gilbert, stop hogging the camera. Come on. Aren't they cute? Look at the camera, Gilbert. Look at the camera. No, do not go up to the camera. Gilbert, what are you doing? Gilbert. Gilbert, do not show off your leg. You're having some technical difficulties. No, wait, never mind. They're almost fixed. Just wait. No, Gilbert, don't sit in front of the camera. Gilbert. That is so unsanitary, Gilbert. Gilbert, look, it's you. It's you, Gilbert. It's you. Now it's Coco. Coco, look at yourself. So yeah, that's the end of my introducing video. So yeah, see you guys at my next vlog. Yeah, this one was fun. Except for Gilbert the hog. So see you guys. Bye.